Hello Adrian, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. Presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2016 Suzuki TU250X, 27,687 kilometers. And this motorcycle comes with extended warranty from Suzuki, which is it will expire 04/10/22. Bike is price for this motorcycle is 42,888 plus GST and licensing, fully safety certified. It comes with the brand new tires, front and rear, very clean, never been an accident, and as I said, it's fully certified. The bike is available at this time. If you wanna secure it, just give me a call. We can do over the phone, and then you could come take a look on Saturday. So once again, on behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.